Ever pondered what would occur if Earth and Mercury were set on a collision course? The aftermath would be nothing short of cataclysmic. Firstly, an immense amount of energy would be released due to the kinetic impact and gravitational forces at play. The result? Total devastation on both planets. Secondly, Earth's orbit would likely be altered. This shift could affect everything from the length of our days to our seasons, and potentially even the stability of our climate. Thirdly, the collision would generate a colossal amount of debris and dust. This could darken our skies for a prolonged period, a scenario reminiscent of the extinction of dinosaurs. Fourthly, the collision could disrupt Earth's magnetic field. As Mercury's magnetic field is weaker than Earth's, the disruption could leave us more exposed to solar winds and cosmic radiation, potentially having severe consequences for our biosphere. Fifthly, the collision would create immense tidal forces. This could result in extreme shifts in sea levels, with devastating tsunamis and flooding, particularly in coastal regions. Sixthly, the collision would scatter debris into space, posing a long-term threat to spacecraft and satellites in Earth's orbit. This debris could also lead to spectacular meteor showers as it enters Earth's atmosphere. Seventhly, the collision would result in the mixing of materials from both planets, altering their compositions. This could have far-reaching implications for the geology and chemistry of the combined celestial body. Lastly, the collision might lead to the formation of a planetary ring around the combined mass. This would be a remarkable astronomical phenomenon, akin to the rings observed around gas giants like Saturn. So, to sum it up, a collision between Earth and Mercury would be a catastrophic event with profound consequences for both planets and the entire solar system. The scale of destruction, changes in planetary dynamics, and long-term environmental impacts would be unparalleled. But fear not, such events are extremely unlikely on astronomical timescales. This allows us to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and serves as a reminder of our place in the vast cosmos.